Unit 5 project by Donovan and Gabi.
Ellie is a very lonely girl. One day, her father got her a pet monkey butler named Lucas. Every month, Lucas grows 5 inches and starts with 12 inches originally. And here's a table here. And here's the next equation. Now plus 5 equals next start equals 12. And the explicit rule is y equals 12 plus 5x. Now now here's one of my problems. How much inches will Lucas grow in 1 year? So we'll do y equals 12 plus 5 times 12, since there's 12 months. And that will be, so 5 times 12 would be 60, and plus 12 would be 72. So he would grow 72 inches. And in a year. And next, and then my second problem, how many inches in 50 years? So we're going to do 12 plus 5 times 50. Not 50. It will be exponential growth. 600. And then 5 times 600 will be 3,000 plus 12 will be he'll be 3,012 inches, which is pretty much impossible, but he would die by then, so wouldn't matter. Okay. John got 100 candies from trick-or-treating. He had a plan that said he would eat 3 pieces a day. Here's a table. And the now next rule is now minus 3 equals next, and start is 100, since he'll lose 3 candy every day. And here's the explicit rule, y equals 100 minus 3x. And then we're going to do one of my problems, which is, how much candy will he have in 10 days? So we're going to do y equals 100 minus 3 to the 10th. And then we're going to do 3 times 10, which equals 30. And then 100 minus 30 would equal 70, and he'll have 70 candy left. And now, my second equation problem will be how much candy will he have left in 20 days? So we're going to do y equals 100 minus 3x, not x, 20. And we're going to do 3 times 20, which would be 60, and 100 minus 60 would be 40. So he'll have 40 candy left after 20 days. And this would be right, since he only loses 2 candy every day, and he starts with 100 candy.
During the apocalypse, the zombie invasion started with 20 infected zombies. The number of zombies increased by 57% every hour. The now next rule is now times 1.57 equals next, and the start is 20. The explicit rule is y equals 20 times 1.57 raised to the x power. How many zombies will there be in 6 hours? So to solve this, we say y equals 20 times 1.57 raised to the x power. Y equals 20 times 1.57, right? And then to get to 6 hours, our x is 6. So 20 times 1.57 raised to the 6th power is 299.5214366. Now we know that this is a person, so we cannot leave it rounded to a decimal point. So the answer would be 300 zombies. So our second question is, how many zombies would there be in a week? Now we have to figure out how many zombies there would be in one day. So in a day there's 24 hours. So it would be 20 times 1.57 raised to the 24th power. So if we do the math,
Hi, Miss Rosenthal.
there would be 100. There would be 1,006,054.
Did you try for the basketball team?
837.
Sure that.
But again, being a person, you cannot have it to a decimal, so your final answer would be 1,006,055. In a mall, there is an influenza outbreak that kills 27% of the population every hour. 600,000 people had come to the mall that night for a concert. The now next rule is now times 0.73 is equal to next, and the start is 600,000. Y equals 600,000 times 0.73 raised to the x power. Okay, so now we have to find out how many people will be left in the mall after 6 hours. So to solve this, you would do y equals 600,000 times 0.73 to the 6th power, which would be so the answer to that would be 90,800 and 53577. But again, you cannot have part of a person, so the answer would be 90,801. So now what we need to find out is how many people there would be left in a day. So that would be y is equal to 600,000, the start value, times 0.73. The rate that it's going down, raised to the 24th power, x, so the number of hours. If you do the math for this one, you will get 314.7022828. Again, you cannot have part of a person, so your final answer would be 315. So that is the end of our Unit 5 project.
Yay!
Linear versus exponential.
Yep. Good job.
Thank you for listening, and we hope you learned a lot.